Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After that, press the Chrome button again to open the menu, and then tap on the workout icon to open the workout menu. And here we have a list of workouts we can start. Find the one you like to start and then tap on it, and then tap on go. You can also tap on warm up to perform the warm up before the workout, and then start workout. And here we have our workout. Once you start it, that's how it looks like. We have some data pages we can scroll through. You can also use the lower button right here to scroll through the data pages. You can also swipe left and right on the screen, and here we have the music controls, so you can basically either play the music from the watch or from the phone that is paired with your watch. And here we have metronome, and here we can start it if you want to. You can set it up and then tap on start to start it. Okay, and if you want to pause the workout, you can press the Chrome button, and here we have a couple of things. We have the resume button, stop button, lock the touchscreen button, and volume for the broadcasts. If you tap on the lock touchscreen, you won't be able to use the touchscreen during the workout. You will need to press the Chrome button and then tap on the icon again to unlock it. Next we have the resume button, of course. A stop button will stop the workout completely, and here we have the broadcast volume. So let's stop the workout, tap on the check mark, and the workout will stop. And basically that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.